Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't crack your neck. That's not gonna get you out of pain. So nice and slow, lay on your front, and we're gonna start on the left side here. And this is working on this long muscle here. And when we're texting all day, it's compressing, causing us pain in the neck, and cracking it is not gonna be getting you out of pain. Maybe bring your jaw up a little bit, find that muscle, find that pain. Now let's connect to your breath. As you inhale, expand your belly. As you exhale, make the belly nice and small. And you wanna spend a minimum of 3 minutes here. And then once you spend 3 minutes here, exhale up and off. You can repeat that on the other side for another 3 minutes, and that's gonna really help address the cause of your pain.
How'd you know how to do that?
Oh, because I follow Quinn from Block Therapy. He teaches me how to get out of pain really fast.